Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Luno Peters and I'm a financial coach, here to help you plan for a brighter future and help you take more control over your hard-earned pennies with budgeting, saving, motivation and guidance. And I'll be sharing my investment journey with you. Just a disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, I'm just a financial coach. So please make sure you always do your own stock research before you invest your money. I'm just sharing my opinion and my investment journey with you, but I'm not a professional investor.
So today we will be having a look at Workhorse. Now they create vehicles for companies like UPS and other parcel services. I'm sure you've seen this video before of the drone that is able to deliver parcels without the person leaving the vehicle, but I thought I'll add it in here for you as well. Now, as you can see, they've got two vehicle sizes, the C650 and the C1000. Now, if we scroll down a bit, so as you can see, these vehicles are designed specifically for the last mile for delivery. They are composed of lightweight bodies, and these vehicles are also futuristic. It's 100% electricity, so these vehicles don't use any biofuels. It's a low floor design to help with access, and it's got a metro app in it, so these helps with deliveries and telematic systems. So if you would like to know more about the Metron, then you can just click on here and you can go and have a read and a look through all of the specifics for this. But it monitors location, notifications and performance, and this will give the companies a lot more information about where the vehicle is and how far they are with deliveries, and a lot of other great information for the companies as well. So let's go have a look at the investor side. So at the day of recording this, which is the 22nd of the 12th, the current price is 22.76. And if you have a look at the latest news, here you can read about the third quarter and more press releases. Now there's a lot of information on their website that you can go and have a look at. There's all the company info you can have a look at, all the financial infos you can go and read through with their income statement and their balance sheet with their cash flow, the stock data, so all the chart and historical data, and the SEC filings and the governance. So all the information is here on the website if you would like to go and read a bit more into this company. So I've subscribed to the Ark Investment trading information, and as you can see, they've bought Workhorse on the 2nd of December, and they bought 153,000 shares of this company. So this shows that even Ark Invest really believes in this company.
If you're getting value so far, please smash that like button so it turns blue, as this will help me with the YouTube algorithm so that I can assist more people. If you would like to see any of my future videos, remember to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out.
So if we have a look at the ARK Fund ARKQ, which is the Technology and Robotics ETF, and if we scroll down, you can see here are their top holdings. And if you click on View All Holdings, this will open up a sheet for you showing you exactly what shares the company are invested in. So if we open up and have a look for Workhorse, you will see Workhorse is number 20 on the shares weight, and the amount of shares they've got is 1,654,136 shares in this company. So that really shows that they believe in this company. So if we have a look at Seeking Alpha, you will see I've put it on the last month because I want to show you what the price was when Ark Invest bought it. So on the 2nd of December, the Workhorse share price was $20.40. So it's gone up a little bit more. When I bought it yesterday, it was around about exactly the same amount, which was a nice buy-in for me. And I do believe it will have some growth over the next few years. Now, if we have a look at the growth over the last year, it's plus 513%, which is really a lot of great growth. Now, This company does not pay any dividends, so this is a pure growth stock investment for me. So having a look at the summary, so I don't know if you've noticed, but if you scroll down, there's a lot of information you can see. As you can see, Wall Street is very bullish on this share. As you can see, they are seeing this as an overvalued stock at the moment, but the growth potential is A+, and the profitability is a F at the moment. Now, we do know that's due to the delay with the UPS sign up, but that is just one of the issues at the moment. So please do your due diligence to decide if you like this company. Now, if we have a look at the revenue, they've made some in 2016, 2017, 18 and 19 there wasn't a lot of growth, and in 2020 there also wasn't a lot of growth. The estimated growth for 2021 is really great, so we'll just need to see if this is actually achieved next year. So having a look at Yahoo Finance, you will see the market cap is 2.7 billion. Their day range is between 2083 and 2015. Unfortunately, they don't pay any dividends, so this is purely a growth stock. So if we scroll down, so they missed the fourth quarter of last year. They achieved the first quarter and missed the second and third quarter. As you can see, their revenue and earnings, their earnings is all in the minus at the moment. And if you have a look at the recommendations, this is between a buy and a strong buy and a few holds. But overall, it's a 2.1, which is a buy. Now, they are currently at 22.41. The average is 24. And the high it can go to is the 29. So that gives you still a nice gap for growth on this company in the short term. But if you have a look on Yahoo Finance, there's a lot of articles you can go and read about Workhorse if you are interested. Now, this stock is a buy for me as I've bought 7 shares in this company.
I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. If you've got any topic requests or any questions for me, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.